At, on, in. When do we use it? Let me explain you. We use at with time. So wherever time comes, we use at. On comes with days. Wherever days comes, we use on. And we use in with seasons, months, years. Okay, we use in with seasons, months, years. Let me explain you again. We use add with time, on with days, and in with seasons, months, years. Let me explain you more with examples. So our first example is dash Friday. So here Friday's day. So we use on with days. So on Friday. Okay. Our second is summer. Summer is season. Okay. Summer is seasons. So with seasons we use in. So here comes in. Third one is 5 o'clock. It is time. So with time we use at. So at 5 o'clock. Fourth example is January. Dash January. It is month, and with months we use in. So here comes in January. Now fifth example is 2023. Dash 2023. It is year. It is year, okay. So with year we use in 2023. Here January is month. So with month we use in. So your last one is dash August 17, 1945. It is for you. You will tell me in comments what will be the answer. Okay. So remember only these things which I have told you. Okay. This is sufficient. So if you like the video, click the like, subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Happy learning.